Hello and welcome to the Automechanica 2024. We are in Riyadh. My Key is a brand from Korea. They are specialized in remote key.
Hi, my name is Rustam. Company is we created a remote start system for Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis. We specifically specialize in these models. Our brand is based in South Korea and in United States. So now we came here to expand our brand. We're looking for shops, for local shops, who would be able to work with us.
Hello, my name's Gareth Jones. I'm Managing Director for Automillennium Group BTX Division. We're here today with Automotive. We are a global brand with the OEM. We are looking after 500 products for all consumable and tool items for our service department, for our for all body shops, and for all car care and accessories. So what we are looking out for today, we're looking for distributors, we are looking for end user customers to come to our stand and to hopefully partner with ourselves.
I'm Ziyad, the General Manager for Advanced Motor Centers. We are located in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. We are the distributor for Motul lubricants. Today we are participating in Automechanica to present Motul in Saudi Arabia in a proper way. Also try to make people aware about the racing community in Saudi Arabia, because we have our own race team. Motul is more into racing community. So we try to bring our racing horse here today with us to do small demonstration of some product and what we can do in our workshop and in our and talk more with customers and friends about our business. In Saudi Arabia, motorsport, car racing community is huge and big, and there is big demand for high performance product and high quality product.
Hi, my name is Matthais Müller. I'm the General Manager of Workshop Solution. We are specialized in workshop development. So we are representing many distributors here, like Spanesi, like BSF, like Fasano, like GWS. So those companies providing high standard quality equipment and tools for the modern automotive, for the repair process. So we are developing workshop, we installing equipment, we do training, and we do the layout for the customer to help him to be able to repair the modern vehicle from today. And so we are here in Saudi-based company in Jeddah and in Riyadh, and we have done a lot of development already.
هذه شركة كزاس الصينية، شركة مصنعة مختصة في المجال لأكثر من 35 سنة في تصنيع قطع الغيار. الشركة مختصة في قطع بنز وبي ام دبليو وبورش وأودي وتويوتا ونيسان والسيارات الكورية بشكل عام. والشركة هذه طبعا تصنع جميع قطع الغيار للسيارات المذكورة. طبعا الشركة هذه تنافس أغلب الشركات بضمانها. ضمان الشركة هذه يتراوح ما بين سنة إلى 3 سنوات على جميع قطع الغيار، ما عدا الأقمشة ضمانها بيكون 6 شهور. والشركة طبعا لها وكالة في دبي وفي المغرب وفي السعودية. الآن وكالتها في السعودية داخل مدينة جدة.
We are from Emerald Tyres, the premium industrial tire manufacturers from India. We have the complete range for metal handling equipments and for off-the-road tire solutions. We specialize in industrial solid tires, industrial pneumatic tires, and also for material handling equipment like Bobcat. So these are our ranges. We are manufacturing from India in Chennai.
We're from Abdulatif Jameef company, and we're from Toyota Material Handling. We're specialized in forklifts, material handling equipment. We're providing forklifts, warehouse equipment starting from 1 ton up to 16 ton electrical forklifts, lithium-ion forklifts, and we're into automation industries also.
We are from Aqsa Tyres company. Our company main is in Dubai.
We are selling whole wheels and tires, and we import to many countries such as Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, and we have so many kind of tires and wheels also you can see everywhere. You can visit our website, you can find a lot of design wheels and tires together.
Myself, Sheikh Sabir Hussain. I am working with BMT. We launch products. Simco is a brickbat company. This is made by China. This one full ceramic, and this make no noise, no dust, and no friendly to the brake rotors.
Hi everyone, I'm Brett from Jonnesway, and this year is our 41 years. We offer the working solution for the garage. We have a hand tool, air tool, and automotive repair tools. And this year is our 41 years. Recently, we built up the distribution network worldwide in over 100 countries.
Hi, my name is Sabir Hussain. I am National Sales and Marketing Manager for Motor Lubricants. AMC is distributor of motor lubricants in Saudi Arabia. And we have complete range of racing products. We have complete range of motorcycle bikes, heavy bikes. We have car care products. We are dealing in transmission. Motor is a French company which is working more than 160 countries. And they have a complete range of international lubricants, fully synthetic grades, and it is a technology leader in the world. We have this transmission Evo machine that covers 3-in-1 solution for transmission and gear oils, and we are expanding our network in Saudi Arabia, all our kingdom. We are having operation in all big cities, and with the passage of time, we are covering all the small cities in kingdom.
We are promoting our brands. We are dealing with European brands here. We have the Fronius for the welding machine, Nelson for stud welding, Bolti for stud welding machine. We have the Fronius Transsteel 5000 welding machine. The main USP of this machine is that it can do arc welding, MIG welding and TIG welding. So basically, if anybody buys this machine, can do all three welding processes. So it is a cost-effective machine. They can do steel, stainless steel, aluminium, and then they can do the TIG welding for steel and stainless steel, and arc welding rods, as many as they want.
Engineer Ahmed at Baitco company specialized in CNC machines. We would like to host you here in Makute exhibition in KSA Riyadh to show you the cutting edge technology in CNC machines like the laser cutting machine as well as the fiber laser cutting machines, in addition to the press and brake and many others.
حياكم الله. هون نحن بنمارس شركة التفوق الذهبية التجارية ولوكلاء شركة ماكيوت التجارية الصناعية. الحمد لله نحن نعتبر حالنا ما بعرف بالجودة، يمكن نحن رقم واحد بالشهادات اللي اخذينها اللي هي شهادات الايزو. من اهم المنتجات عندنا الكسارات اللي هي الواقعة عليه، والملفات النحاس اللي 100% اللي هي خاضعة للاختبار. عندنا كسارات جميعها خاضعة للاختبار، بالنسبة هي نحاس 100% والاجتهاد عليه. وكل شركات الكبرى تقريبا 90% منهم خلينا نقول اختبار جيد عنا فيهم.
So that is all about Automechanica 2024 Riyadh. See you until then. Don't forget to follow our channel, and salam.